Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Am I tired? No, I am not tired. I slept well. Am I hungry? Yes, I am hungry. I did not eat. Am I thirsty? Yes, I am thirsty. I need water. Am I happy? Yes, I am happy. Today is a good day. Am I sad? No, I am not sad. I feel okay. Am I busy? Yes, I am busy. I am working now. Am I free? Yes, I am free. I have time. Am I bored? No, I am not bored. This is fun. Am I angry? No, I am not angry. I am calm. Am I excited? Yes, I am excited. This is new. Am I scared? No, I am not scared. I feel safe. Am I sleepy? Yes, I am sleepy. It is late. Am I cold? No, I am not cold. It is warm. Am I hot? Yes, I am hot. The weather is sunny. Am I sick? No, I am not sick. I feel fine. Am I well? Yes, I am well. Thank you. Am I nervous? Yes, I am nervous. This is my first time. Am I calm? Yes, I am calm. I am relaxed. Am I early? Yes, I am early. I came on time. Am I late? No, I am not late. I arrived early. Am I ready? Yes, I am ready. Let's go. Am I strong? Yes, I am strong. I exercise. Am I weak? No, I am not weak. I feel good. Am I clean? Yes, I am clean. I took a shower. Am I dirty? No, I am not dirty. My clothes are clean. Am I full? Yes, I am full. I ate a lot. Am I empty? No, I am not empty. I had food. Am I quiet? Yes, I am quiet. I am listening. Am I loud? No, I am not loud. I am speaking softly. Am I kind? Yes, I am kind. I help others.